Okay, now we'll see properties of triangles. The first property is angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. What it is? The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That means in a triangle, already we know three angles will be angle A, angle B, angle C. The sum of these three angles, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, is equals to 180 degrees. This property is named as angle sum property of triangle. And the next one, second property, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That means take a triangle ABC. Its sides are A, small b, small c. Sum of any two sides always greater than the third side. That is A plus B. Sum of these two sides is greater than third side. That means A plus B is greater than C. And the next A plus C. Sum of these two sides will be greater than third side B. That means A plus C is greater than B. And the next one B plus C. B plus C also greater than the third side A. We'll see one example here. See an example. One one triangle I have taken. The sides of these triangle are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Add any two sides, you may get it is clearly greater than the third side. That means 3 plus 4. How much? 7. 7 is greater than 5. 3 plus 4 is greater than 5. Next, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Clearly greater than the third side. That means greater than 3. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 8 is greater than 4. That means greater than the third side. And the next one, third property. What it is? See, difference of any two sides is less than the third side. So in the second property, what I told, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Now the third property telling us difference of any two sides is less than the third side. So see on a triangle here, triangle ABC, its sides are small a, small b, small c. So difference of any two sides, a minus b or b minus e, is less than c. That means less than third side. And b minus c, b minus c or c minus a, difference between these two sides is less than third side. And a minus c or c minus a, difference between these two sides is less than third side. That means less than b. See example here. Here one example I have taken, triangle ABC, whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. And now see, difference between these two sides, 4 minus 3, we are getting 1. Clearly 1 is less than 5. And next one is difference between these two sides, 5 minus 4. 1 again, it is clearly less than the third side. That means 1 is less than 3. And the next one, difference between these two sides, 5 minus 3 is 2, clearly less than the third side. That means 2 is less than 4. So we can say difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. And the fourth property, in a triangle, the side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. In a triangle, the side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. and the side opposite to smallest angle is shortest side. That means take one triangle ABC. Here at B angle is 90 degrees, at C angle is 30, at A angle is 60. The biggest angle is 90 here, opposite to this biggest angle. Which side will be? Clearly AC. Opposite to angle B is AC. So B is the biggest angle, then opposite side to this biggest angle also longest side of this triangle. See, it is 4, it is 3, 4, 5 means 5 is the longest side among these all three sides. In the same way, the side opposite to smallest angle. Here smallest angle is 30, opposite side to this angle C is AB. So clearly AB is the shortest side of this triangle. See, 30 is the smallest angle, 60, 90, 30, 30 is the smallest. Opposite to 30 is AB. It is the shortest side of this triangle. So once again, in a triangle, the side opposite to biggest angle is longest side, and the side opposite to smallest angle is shortest side. See the property once again. 4 properties we discussed here. The first one is angle sum property. What it is? The angle sum property tells us the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. And the second property, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. And third property tells us difference of any two sides is less than the third side. And the fourth property tells us in a triangle, the side opposite to biggest angle is longest side, and the side opposite to smallest angle is shortest side. Now we will see some problems on these properties today. So example problem. So the first one, find x, y, z values in the following figure. So one figure I have given here asking to find x, y, z values. See, it is a triangle. It is a triangle. In this triangle, x, y, z are interior angles, and 136 is exterior angle, and 112 also exterior angle. See the solution of this one. Draw the rough figure, and this from figure we can say 136 plus x is equals to 180. Why? Why? Because it is straight angle, nothing but linear pair. Linear pair means the sum of linear pair is equals to 180, or we can remember it is a straight angle. Look, 136 plus x, clearly it is straight line. The straight line will make a straight angle here. So we can say 136 plus x is equals to straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Then 136 transposed to right hand side, it will becomes minus 136. Then x is equals to 180 minus 136. Then x is equals to 44. In the same way, similarly, z plus 112 also 180 degrees. Linear pair, straight angle. Now transpose 112 to right hand side, then z is equals to 180 minus 112, then z equals to 68 degrees. So we got x value as 44, z value as 68. Now in this triangle, I told x, y, z are interior angles. According to angle sum property, we can say sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That means x plus y plus z is equals to 180. That means x value what we got, substitute here, it is 44 plus y plus z value is 68 is equals to 180. Then 44 plus 68 is 112 plus y is equals to 180. Now transpose 112 to right hand side. Then y is equals to 180 minus 112. That is nothing but 68. So x value is 44, y value is 68, and also z value also 68. And one more problem. See the problem. Find the x and y values in the following figure. See this figure. Find the x and y values in the following figure. See this figure. It is a triangle PQN and extended up to M. In this one, two sides marked as equal. That means PN and QN are equal sides. And it is one angle in the triangle given 38, one angle given x, another angle not given, asking us to find x, y values. Okay, coming to solution. Draw the rough figure, what is given. Now from this figure, what we can say, it is a triangle. Triangle PQN is an isosceles triangle, we can say. Why? Because two sides are equal. Okay, we know that opposite angles of opposite sides of an isosceles triangle also equal. You know already. When I am explaining about isosceles triangle, I told at that time. So we know that opposite angles of equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means in this triangle PQN, NP is equals to NQ. Two sides are equal. Then their opposite angles. Angle P is equals to angle Q. NQ opposite angle is P. NP opposite angle is Q. So angle P is equals to angle Q. If angle P is 38, then angle Q also 38. That means 38 equals to x. X value is 38. Now, in this triangle PQN, one angle 38, another angle also we got 38. Now we can say third angle by using angle sum property. That means angle PNQ, here PNQ means here angle, plus NPQ, that means angle at P. Next PQN, that means angle here which is x, the value of x is 38, is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of these three angles equals to 180. That means PNQ plus NPQ value 38 plus PQN value also 38, that is equals to 180. Then angle PNQ plus 38 plus 38 means 76 is equals to 180. And the next one, angle PNQ is equals to 180 minus 76. Why? Because transpose this 76 to right hand side, it will be minus. Then 180 minus 76 means 104. Angle PNQ. So that means one more inside angle, interior angle of this triangle we got as 104. 104. The name of this angle is PNQ. Now, angle PNQ plus MNQ is equals to 180. What those? See, PNQ and MNQ. So, angle at this N interior, angle at N exterior. Sum of these both equals to 180. Why? Because again, linear pair. That means straight angle. Straight line forming here, straight angle. So, PNQ, angle PNQ plus angle MNQ is equals to 180. PNQ plus Y is equals to 180. MNQ value, Y given in the figure. That's why Y. And next, PNQ value we got 104. That I substituted here. plus y is equals to 180. Then y is equals to 180 minus 104. Transpose this 104 to right hand side. It will becomes minus 104. Then y is equals to 180 minus 104 means 76. So like these different problems we can expect from this chapter. Okay students, all the worksheet along with this video. Have a good day.